A very good morning, class 8. So yes, we were doing the direct and direct part 2, right? And we were at page number 107 and I told you to try to solve this exercise number 5 and 6. So have you done? What happened, class 8? Now you people are also not sending me any work. I think you have stopped working and watching my videos. I think so. So we were doing direct, indirect speech part 2. So we were here. And I gave you homework. Exercise number 5 at page number 107. I told you to do this yourself, but no child has sent me the work. I don't know what you people are doing. So put the following into indirect speech. What a bizarre combination of colors your sari has. So start writing in your notebooks because these you have to write in sentences. So it is better you write it in your notebooks. So write down exercise number 5. Write down the topic. Write down the statement and I'm writing the answers. So the first one. What a bizarre combination of colors your sari has, she said. So all these sentences are in exclamation. So we will write, she exclaimed with joy. She exclaimed that her sari has, no, had हो जाएगा. Sari had a bizarre combination, of colors. So she exclaimed that her sari had a bizarre combination of colors. So we have to change this into a simple statement. It is in the exclamatory. It is a rule of direct and direct that when we change the direct speech into indirect, so if it is an exclamatory sentence, so we have to change it into a simple statement and no signs will be used. No exclamatory sign, no these commas. My mother said to my brother, how careless you are. My mother exclaimed to my brother. My mother exclaimed to my brother that he was very careless. Number 3. Alice said how clever I am. Alice said that I was very clever. Alice said. Alice exclaimed. Alice exclaimed, saying that we can use it in the gerund form also. Exclaim के साथ मैंने say के साथ ing लगा दिया gerund form to omit the indirect means eliminate the indirect object. So Alice exclaimed saying that I was very clever. 4th, they said, hooray, we have passed with distinction. So they all exclaimed happily. They exclaimed happily, saying that they have passed with saying they exclaimed happily that they had passed they had passed they all had they all they all had passed with distinction. They all had passed with distinction. They exclaimed happily that they all had passed with distinction. So the fifth one is, he said, X, I can't find my glasses. He said, X, I cannot find my glasses. He wondered. So we can use wondered also when we are when we are a bit surprised. So we can use wondered also. He wondered that he could not find his glasses. That he couldn't find his glasses. The old lady said, Alas, I lost my husband so early in my life. The old lady exclaimed, saying, we can add exclaimed sadly, or we can simply write it exclaimed. But yes, there it is written alas, so we can add sadly here. The old lady exclaimed sadly that she, इसमें क्या लिखा है? I lost my husband. तो she had lost her husband. She had lost her husband so early in his life. So early in her life. ठीक है? The old lady exclaimed sadly that she had lost her husband so early in her life. 7. The creatures of the Bengal bog said to the nightingale. So first of all, we have to write the reported part. The creatures of the Bengal bog applauded the nightingale. The creatures of the Bengal bog. Why I said applauded? Because there it is written bravo. So for bravo we use applause. हम admire कर रहे हैं ना किसी को, applause दे रहे हैं तो हम लिखेंगे हाँ. The creatures of the Bengal bog applauded the nightingale. Applauded the nightingale for applauded the nightingale that यूज करते हैं, that she sang well. इसमें है ये you sang well, तो sang का बन जाएगा that she had sung well and requested to encore. Because at last it is written, it is added please encore. So we have to change it accordingly. The creatures of the Bengal bog applauded the nightingale that she had sung very well and requested to encore. The old man said, "Oh, I have waited 5 long years for a letter from my daughter." The old man exclaimed sadly, saying that he waited for 5 years for a letter from her daughter. So we will write it like this: the old man exclaimed sadly that he. Now we have to check the tense. I have waited. So he had waited. He had waited for 5 long years for her daughters, for a letter from her daughter. 5 years for a letter from her daughter. So we will write it like this because it is too long. The old man exclaimed sadly that he had waited for 5 long years. This is 5 long years for a letter from her daughter. So now we come to the ninth one. They are quite long, so you have to read it each and every word properly, carefully, and then write it down. Little Lavanya said, "Ouch, I have spilt all my milk." The little Lavanya exclaimed sadly. The little Lavanya exclaimed. I added sadly because here she has spilt all the milk. तो आप खुश तो होंगे नहीं जब आप सारा दूध फैला देंगे. So there I have, that is why I have added exclaimed sadly. Obviously you will feel sad when you have spilt all the milk. So Lavanya exclaimed sadly that she had spilt all the milk. Spilt all the milk. She had spilt all the milk. So number 10, we come to number 10. He said, "How rude I was with my teacher." He exclaimed sadly on being rude with his teacher. He exclaimed sadly on being rude. He exclaimed sadly on being rude with his teacher. Right? So with this we have finished this exercise. Now we come to the next exercise, that is exercise number 6. So bache, do this exercise in your notebooks. It is better if you do that there only because there is lot to write. So it will not be possible for you to write it in the books. It will get very untidy. Now we come to exercise number 6. It is on page number 107. Number 1. Pramod said, "I couldn't attend the marriage because of my father's illness." So Pramod told that Pramod said ही लिखते हैं हम, said that. पहले तो हमने reported verb को said कर दिया. तो Pramod said that I couldn't. Couldn't will not be changed. I will be changed into he. Said that he couldn't attend the marriage couldn't attend the marriage because of, my will change into his, because of his father's illness. Because of his father's illness. Due to his father's illness, he will not be able to, he couldn't attend that marriage. You said, my throat is better, but I am feeling very weak. So you said, तो पहले हम यहीं पे you said ही लिखेंगे. You told that. So first of all, we will write the reporting verb and set the introduction. You said that your, my will change to your throat. Your throat is better की जगह हो जाएगा throat was better, because we are talking, we are reporting it, so the tense will automatically change and pronouns also change accordingly. That we have already discussed. So that your throat was better, but you are feeling very weak. But you are feeling very weak. You told that your throat was better, but you are feeling very weak. Third one. He said, our entire property has been destroyed. He told that, now, our entire property, that their, our will be changed to their entire property will, their entire property had been, was है यहाँ पे, has है, had been, has का बन जाएगा had been destroyed. Fourth one. Your servant said, I confess my fault and beg to be excused. Excused. Your servant said that he confessed his fault and begged to be excused. So your servant said that I confess my fault, तो आप उसको बता रहे हैं. Your servant has confessed that he confessed his fault, confessed his fault. He और his बन जाएगा कि उसने अपना जुर्म कबूल कर लिया है. And beg to be excused, and beg to be excused, and now he is begging to be excused कि अब उसे माफ़ कर दिया जाए. Fifth one, you said we finished all our work in time. You said, तुमने बोला हमने अपना काम पूरा टाइम पे ख़त्म कर लिया. तो अगर हम थर्ड पर्सन को बताएंगे तो कैसे बताएंगे? You said that, तो we का we ही रहेगा. You said that we finished all our work. You said that we finished, तो इसमें कोई we finished all our work in time. You said that we finished, इसमें हमने इसीलिए चेंज नहीं किया क्योंकि ऑलरेडी थर्ड पर्सन में है. We finished. तुमने बोला हमने अपना सारा काम टाइम पे फिनिश कर लिया. तो इसको आप जब थर्ड पर्सन को भी रिपोर्ट करेंगे तो आप यही बोलेंगे, तुमने बोला कि हमने अपना काम. तो हमने के लिए we use we only. Smita said, I used to work till late hour, but my doctor has advised me not to do so. Smita told, or Smita said, Smita told या said, both are right, that she used to, I will be changed to she used to work, she used to work till late hour, she used to work till late hour, but my doctor, her doctor, my will change to but her doctor हैज एडवाइज्ड है तो वो बन जाएगा हैड एडवाइज्ड, हैड एडवाइज्ड मी नॉट टू डू सो, एडवाइज्ड हर नॉट टू डू सो. Seventh one, I said I can take my own decisions because my parents have given me freedom to do so. I said that I can take, आप बोल रहे हैं I said that I can take, मैंने बोला कि मैं अपने डिसीजंस खुद ले सकता हूँ, तो इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. I said that I could, कैन की जगह could लग जाएगा, that's it. I said that I could, कैन का could बन जाएगा. I could take my own decisions. I could take my own decisions because my parents have, will be changed to had given me my parents had given me freedom to do so. If you people have been in the class, so it is quite, it would have been very different way of teaching, because at that time you could also solve it yourself, but now I tell you to do so, but one or two students send me back, otherwise nobody sends, nobody pays heed. I don't think that whether you people, all of you, are watching it or not, because once or twice Sarika has sent me the work, and Tripti also, but after that nobody else is sending or solving or even trying to solve this. So online teaching has its own disadvantages because children don't listen to the teacher, what the teacher is saying. Eighth one, the artist said, I am eagerly waiting for the release of my film. The artist said that he was eagerly waiting. I am, he was eagerly waiting. He was eagerly waiting for the release of his film. For the release of his film. Ninth one. The speaker said, we have assembled to pay homage to our departed leader. So the speaker told that they had assembled. The speaker told that they had assembled. The speaker told that they had assembled to pay homage to their departed leader. The young girl said, I am myself to be blamed for all my misfortunes. The young girl said that she was herself blamed for all her misfortunes. The young girl said, that she was herself she was herself to be blamed for all her misfortunes. So with this bachche, we have completed this lesson direct indirect part 2, and I hope that it is all clear to you. Do watch it carefully, listen to it what I am telling you, read your book also carefully. So it is not that tough, you will understand it very easily, right? And do all the exercises of this direct and indirect speech in your notebooks. Am I clear to all? Because there is lot to write, so it will be very untidy if you write it in your books, so it is better you write it in your notebooks. So now we move to our next lesson, that is phrases. Now we come to phrases. So we have completed up till 19 chapter. Now we are going to start with chapter number 20. Phrases, clauses, relative clauses, idioms, sentences, transformation of the sentences. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lessons are left in the grammar, and then in the writing part, writing section, we have to do punctuation rules is also left. So one day it will also take 6 topics. Then in writing section, writing messages, advertisements, emails, book reviews. 5 topics of writing skills are left and 5 of grammar. So still there is lot to be done. So all of you write down these sentences in your notebooks. So now we are going to start with our chapter number 20, that is phrases. So what is phrases, बच्चे? Do you know what is phrase? Phrase क्या होता है? Phrase होता है a group of word. 2-3 words जब मिल जाते हैं और हम उसको एक as a single one use करते हैं, that is called as phrase. And the most important thing is that a phrase does not contain a subject or a verb. जो phrase होता है हमारा, उसमें ना तो कोई subject होता है ना कोई verb होता है, ठीक है? So a phrase is a part of sentence. It is a group of words within a sentence. आप पूरा sentence लिखते हैं. Suppose मैंने लिखा he is standing near a wall. He is standing near the wall. He is standing near a wall. Now this is a complete sentence. And what is a phrase in this? Phrase है this one. ये जो part है ये आपका phrase है. Now see, he is standing near a wall. So जो phrase होता है, it is a group of word within a sentence. Sentence के बीच में 2-3 group of words जो होते हैं उसको हम phrase कहते हैं. इसमें ना तो कोई subject होता है ना ही कोई verb होता है. अब हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं. Near a wall. What? Near a wall. In itself is incomplete. It needs a subject and a verb to complete its meaning. So a phrase is a group of word within the sentence, and it does not contain a subject or a verb, and it does not express a complete meaning. Just what I have said to you कि ना तो इसका अपना कोई मीनिंग होता है, ना ही इसमें कोई सब्जेक्ट होता है, ना ही इसका कोई वर्ब होता है. इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विद इन द सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस के बीच में ही ये होता है. दो तीन ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम फ्रेज कहते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स दैट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्रेज एंड अ क्लॉज. क्लॉज भी कुछ ऐसा ही होता है, टू स्टेटमेंट्स, जैसे स्टेटमेंट को बोलते हैं हम क्लॉज. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्रेज एंड अ क्लॉज. फ्रेज में मैंने आपको बताया कि कोई सब्जेक्ट वर्ब नहीं होता, बट इन दोनों में डिफरेंस यही है दैट क्लॉज हैज़ अ, जो क्लॉज होता है बच्चे, क्लॉज कंटेन्स अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ वर्ब, वेयर एज फ्रेज डज नॉट कंटेन अ सब्जेक्ट और अ वर्ब. फ्रेज में ना तो कोई सब्जेक्ट होता है ना ही कोई वर्ब होता है, बट क्लॉज में सब्जेक्ट भी होता है, वर्ब भी होता है. इन दोनों में यही सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है. Phrase in the following sentences, the highlighted group of words are phrases. So open your books at page number 108 and read it with me. He is laughing at the joker. He is laughing. He is laughing. It's a complete clause. He उसमें subject हो गया. Laughing उसमें क्या हो गया? Verb. तो ये क्या हुआ? He is laughing is a clause and it is an independent clause because it is complete in itself. एट द जोकर जो है वो आपका फ्रेज बन गया क्योंकि उसमें ना तो कोई सब्जेक्ट है ना ही कोई वर्ब है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. इट डज नॉट हैव अ कंप्लीट मीनिंग इन इट सेल्फ. इट नीड्स अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ वर्ब टू कंप्लीट इट सेल्फ. सो he is laughing at a joker. So in this sentence, at a joker is a phrase. He is making tea for the guests. He is making tea. This is a clause. For the guests is a phrase part. Is it clear? So for the time being, you read this lesson and we will discuss this tomorrow.